Look who I got in the front yard with me. JP. What you got, a penny?
1,000,001 pull tab.
One pull tab. We are hitting a house that was built in the 1880s, I believe. Rock foundation, a little bit of add-on back here. I was working my way back here towards the backyard. We just stopped here a little while ago, knocked on the door. They gave us permission to hit this house. We've been eyeing it for quite a while. I found a pull tab, found a couple other bottle caps. Thought I would move back here to the back. This is my first relic. It's got 3216 on it. 2 holes up here at the top, so I'm thinking maybe it's a brass plate for something. I don't know. We've got a lot of places to go today. I'm hoping we can get them all in. Ooh, breezy day. Oh boy, the fall's coming. You can see the change in the color on the trees. Working my way over here towards the storm cellar. I thought I'd work around there a little while. Got me a Princess Pat Rouge top. That sounded good. It's only about 4 inches deep. Well, I really kind of knew I was digging a penny here, but I don't know what kind. I am going to guess weedy. Back is pretty slick. Yep, it's a weedy. Nice green to it. Front's pretty caked up. Let's see if I can get that wiped off. Right where the date is. Oh. Let's see, I don't have any light. Let me wipe that off and I'll be right back. Okay, I hope you can see that. I am thinking 1919D. Could be a 17. I'll know more once I get it cleaned up. Pretty green though. Next plug coming up. When I first started metal detecting, JP and I went and hit an old school. And also around the storm cellar for that school, I found a shell casing. I'd never seen one like it before, so I took it to the gun shop and they looked at it and told me what the caliber is of it. And for the life of me, I can't remember what it is. Maybe I can get you a picture of it here on the bottom, but from the looks of it, and from what I understand, that is the same type of caliber that killed JFK. That's just what I was told. I don't know if that's true or not, but that looks exactly like the same type that I found. Just a little history note there. You know, I don't know if that's real or not. Looks kind of long. Maybe for like a BB gun, maybe, I don't know. But that's about as close as I've gotten to digging part of a rifle for any type of gun. Pretty light aluminum, so I'm going to say it's probably for a kid's toy. But cool just the same. Oh my goodness, the wind has picked up a lot. JP and I have moved to another spot. I think we've probably got 2 more spots. Oh, he's got something good. My harmonica reed's gonna have to wait. Let's go over and see what he's got. Be right with you. Oh, he's got a tree ringer. Look at there, folks. Wow, it's a muddy one.
Yeah, I just popped
nice,
it out
bud.
and cracked it.
Yeah, nice.
Hi. We've been hunting all
Yes,
damn day.
We have. That's cool, bud.
Yeah, it is.
What'd it ring up? 68, 69?
Yes, yes. You know, we've been hitting. I've been digging stuff in the.
Oh, it's me. No, it's me.
Yeah, this one rang up in the 60s and stayed there. There's,
Turn off. It won't turn off. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we came here for.
Yes, yes.
It kind of looks dropped, maybe fired.
It's
yeah, I'm gonna say fired.
I don't know. Let's see if there's a ring up
Whooping
here.
on it.
Yeah, if
Ramrod ring.
The heck is that?
That's I don't know. Sometimes they had seams where for when they made them.
Uh-huh.
That's
This right here's...
yeah.
We'll clean it up and get back to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Way to go, bud.
Cool.
Well, that 3-ringer was nice, but I thought I had a really good deal here. Pulled a nail out of the hole and a small harmonica reed. My second one for the weekend. Next plug coming up.
70s.
We have moved to a new spot.
Yes, we have.
JP just got him a round ball. Look at that.
Yep.
Nice, buddy. That's 69. Fired.
Fired.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good job, bud.
Yeah. The 18 Max, it was hitting in the high 60s. It's the first hole I've dug here, and of course I'm real happy with it.
I'd say. I already dug 2 pull tabs. You had to talk to the owner about pull tabs, didn't you?
I did.
I had to hear that.
We met this owner of this property, got new permission while we were just canvassing a convenience store, talking about what we do, and it's many times. He said it'd been hit before, but not by us.
Yeah, not by us. Well, I'll pull the pull tabs. You just clean up behind me.
Yeah, I will. I
Okay.
will, bud. That's what I do.
Next plug coming. I am going to do my best to block the wind, but I wanted to give you a shot of where we're hunting today. Look at this little monstrosity. Built in 1890. JP is back over there with Chloe someplace, and I apologize for the wind, but boy, it's a nice day and windy. JP and I have been coming here for quite some time. I finally got the snake coil up here, and I told him I was going to work over here along the side of the house where they park the cars and their buggies and such. Trying to talk over the wind. I hope you can hear me. I've got something over here. The house is built in 1890, but the ground has got a lot of history in it, and I'll show you that here in just a second. This is the side of the place. This is my my first good find for the day. JP was already up 2 on me here today. Look at that. I am so happy to have that today. That looks like a drop 58. Wow, yay! Happy. That's your first one?
No, it's the first one since the fire.
Oh, yep, since you lost the others in the fire.
Yep.
JP's got a toe tap.
Yep.
Trying to talk over the wind. He's going to clean that up. We'll get a better picture of it for you. Next plug coming. I don't normally get these on video, but this is like my 5th one this weekend in 3 days of digging. There's a nice rivet. Take one. This is a dirty blue towel wrap up inside because it's so windy and getting chilly outside. And boy, it was windy there at the mansion.
Yes, it was. Small dog alert for Chloe.
Yeah, Chloe was, she was flying like a kite. This is my side. We'll start here and then we'll go to the guy that had the stellar day. Coin, 1919D, wheat penny, a tag of sorts. This is 3216, harmonica reed, Princess Pat top, it's not the bottom, and the last half hour, 58 caliber. I was happy.
Yep, there towards the end.
Yeah. Now let's look at his. Well, stellar day.
We got a cuff link.
Yes, you do. That's nice.
I'm gonna clean that up and see just how nice it really is.
It's gold plated.
Yep.
It's heavy.
It's got a little decoration on it. Old part of the lamp.
Yep. That would have a date on the end of it,
Yep.
usually.
Well, I haven't cleaned up anything.
Yeah, I haven't either.
I don't know what this is yet, but it went together. This is either a file or a stake.
Looks
But-
stylish.
Yes, it does. Then horseshoes. I do not know what this is yet.
I've seen those before. I just don't know. I don't
We'll put it
either.
out there on ID
If
Media.
anybody knows,
Right.
yeah,
And then this little cap
make a
thing
comment
here.
below. Yep.
Got this.
Nice toe tap.
Nice
bud.
toe tap.
Nice toe tap.
And then I've got the Henry rimfire. We found this mini bowl.
Yep,
That was the
that's
first thing that I
58
found.
caliber, I'd say
Yep.
too.
And then
Nice
this
round ball.
smashed round ball.
69.
Yep.
Could be a 58. Sweat squished.
Was squished like that.
It's about
You
the
don't
same
know.
size.
Yep. It was a. There was no honey hole today.
No,
It
we
was
were
just a piece here, piece there, piece here, piece there.
all over the map.
Yep. But we got some new permissions.
Yeah, we sure did. That
and
was
some
one of the
good
goals.
ones. Yes. So.
Thanks for joining us, and we will catch you at the next vlog.